You see, if you
Why you not call her?
me I give you your space.
And your time.
Remember, you know, you say you go on a girl's trip.
Mm-hmm.
It is not my obligation to call you. It
True.
is your obligation to call me and reassure me, say, yo, everything good, you don't have nothing to worry about.
Mm-hmm.
You see, me have to call you, there's a problem.
Well, you're not gonna have good, if are you a good woman like that, you're not supposed to have good communication.
Yes, but you have woman where you have communication, you know, bro. And the minute then there's somewhere where you're not there, you know, everything change, you know.
Well, that's true.
Yeah, man, in world then revived as something else.
You see me?
Yeah, because the friends start influence her.
Yes.
She start do this, start do that.
All right.
And then
So, my thing is, if you go on a girl's trip, and when you land, you know, call me or text me and say, babes, me land. And when you reach a hotel, you know, link me and say, babes, me reach a
you want
hotel.
video call too.
It no matter what you want to do. Me just want you communicate.
That's a part of respect.
You see me?
Part of
You see,
respect.
if you communicate, me not have nothing to worry about, you know.